Welcome back. Another episode. Everyone's another episode, isn't it? Okay, I know I record these videos not quite on the day when you see them, so this is my second day off that I've had. Morning I spent on the race car. Then I went for a pub lunch, which wasn't the best thing to do because I've had a couple. And yeah, so you get all tired and the sun's come out and you just want to sit around and do nothing. But anyway, what we're doing is I'm going to spot weld the front panels, the wings, the front panel, because that's the way I do it. As I said, there's not much tweaking you can do. They are what they are. So the best thing to do is get them to fit well around the joins the best you can, and then you force everything else to fit and bring it on there basically. Again, my method, and that's what I do. So that's what I'm going to do. Get the wings spot welded on, and we'll pop it all back on again and see what things are looking like. Alright, I'm getting happier each time I put it on, but it's never quite there. So it gets you a bit, so these are the sort of bits I must tell myself not to rush at. You just sit back and stand for a bit and have a think. This A panel's sort of clamped up very tight at the bottom. Other side's not going just yet, but that's still got to drop a bit more. I've basically undone the bolts at the front subframe mount at the moment, so it's dropped a sort of 1/4 of an inch at the front, which isn't too bad, because I expect, if I force the subframe and tighten it up to the floor, it should go. So again, I need to do some research, double check that there is no silly, slightly mounting holes for the Mark 1. I don't think there is. I think it will just go. It's just tight pattern panels. Just need a bit of work, that's all. Just need a bit of work. So yeah, I think a few more days fiddling and farting, and I'll get there eventually. It's getting there, it's just getting there, bit by bit. So, doing good. What I will do while thinking is use a common garden cereal box and just make a template for that section for the front inner wing. Needs to be done. It's not my tummy in the picture, that. It's not tummy, that's muscle. Alrighty, just dropped the old bonnet on, which I got given. So yeah, not bad, seen worse. So a bit of playing about still. Always noticed that some of the old bonnets seem to poke out quite a lot of the front. Again, don't know the history of this bonnet. It could be a pattern one, could be genuine. But not too bad. The wings have got to be pushed in still, so there's something to be workable anyway. But what I need to do is go order up some proper Mk1 hinges. I could cut about the fanny about the ones I've got, I guess, and try and make them work. That's the other option, because I think I've looked on eBay, like I just bought them when I was drunk, and it's the old usual thing. eBay said they fitted a Mk1, but actually if you read the description, it was very vague, didn't say nothing. So it's where someone's obviously just typed in they fit classic mini, which obviously they do. They fit for most of them, just not all of them. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to go inside. Sorry for a very short update.